the sky, Durtex Foam continues to sail beyond traditional boundaries, bringing you sustainable innovations and unwavering comfort. Durtex Float is crafted with high-quality Durtex foams, a reflection of Durtex's deep commitment to excellence, a tribute to resilience, and a celebration of trust built with every moving on. With every wave of Durtex echoes the promise of sustainability, ensuring that every Durtex product is crafted with care for the environment. And like the sky, Durtex soars higher with innovation, delivering quality that stands the test of time. As Durtex proudly joins us in the Grand Parade, they demonstrate and honor the launches their legacy